Can Mary monetize her YouTube channel? That is the $1,000,000 question. Actually, I can tell you the answer to the question. It's yes, because I am not going to stop until my small channel here is monetized. Now, what do I mean by monetized anyway? So, in the sense that I'm talking about that word, that means that I will get paid when ads run on my videos. I have been on YouTube for 10 years and I have never actually considered trying to get my channel monetized because it just didn't seem feasible. And then recently I was like, you know what? I think I can do this. I really think I can. So let's go for it. The interesting thing about YouTube and why I recommend it to people so often, if you are a coach or someone who has your own small business, is because I have earned a lot of money from having this YouTube channel, even though my videos are not yet monetized. And that's because YouTube has been a way for people to discover me. I started my coaching business back in 2016, and I can tell you right now that my two biggest sources of clients have been YouTube and Amazon, people who have read my books. YouTube has been interesting because, yes, I have posted videos sporadically over those 10 years, but I've also been interviewed by other people who have posted those interviews on YouTube, and those have been a huge source of clients for me. So just because my small channel has not been officially monetized by YouTube, I haven't gotten any ad revenue from it, it doesn't mean I haven't earned money, because I have. I've earned a lot of money from YouTube already. Here is my plan to get my small channel monetized here on YouTube. The first thing I'm going to do is I am on a publication schedule where I am publishing a minimum of 2 videos per week. One video will be on a life-related topic because that means so much to me about giving ourselves permission to live the way we want to live. The other video will be taking you behind the scenes on this journey to monetize my channel. I also have a third topic area that I intend to work in there as well, either as a third video that I publish each week or as part of an alternate between YouTube and this other topic, which is the Insight Timer app. Because right now, Insight Timer is a wonderful revenue source for me for passive income. And I've done some videos on this topic already. You can check them out. The link is in the description. But if I can possibly start earning money from my YouTube channel in addition to Insight Timer, I will be one happy camper. So let's look at 2 criteria that we need to meet in order to get paid for the ads on our videos on YouTube. One is that you have to have 1,000 subscribers. I just reached that milestone. I'm now at 1,001. The other is that you need to have a minimum of 4,000 watch hours in any 365-day period. So that means how many hours, literally, people are spending watching your videos. So right now I am at 655. So it looks like I have a long way to go, right? But my theory is that if I am really strict about this publication schedule, always having fun because I'm always about the fun. But if I am really strict about this and I publish 2 to 3 videos a week, I'm pretty sure that I can hit those numbers. Recently, I had one of my videos do quite well for me. It was called How to Change Your Life Starting Now. And you can see that it had 561 views, and it was only published as I'm recording this about 3 days ago. For me, that was a lot. I was really, really pleased with that. It also had 46 likes. So I am going to start to look at why videos do well, why certain videos do well and others don't. I'm also going to start looking more closely at what some other people are doing in terms of titles and the thumbnail images, things like that. As I learn things, I will report them to you. so you can learn along with me. And I do encourage you, if you haven't started your own YouTube channel, to do so, because I absolutely love YouTube. It's been a great source of clients for me, as I mentioned, and I'm excited to see where I can take this next. I should also add that I am not some fancy whiz bang video creator, editor. As you'll see, I use very simple tools for my videos. For this one, I'm using a product called Tella, Tella.tv. For my other videos where I'm showing some scenes of Paris where I live, I am just shooting everything on my iPhone 13 and then editing in Descript, which is linked in the description beneath this video. So I am not planning to do anything super duper fancy or get, cinematic about my videos. For me, it's more about conveying a message that is meaningful to me, conveying information that might be helpful to you. For example, if you want to get on to the Insight Timer app and be a teacher and start earning passive income there. If you're interested in YouTube, I'm going to share everything that I learn along the way. So that's really what's most important to me, is being of service to you and giving you something that is hopefully a little entertaining, as well as something that's transformational. Please hit that subscribe button before you leave. I'll talk to you again soon. Bye.